Hi, my name is Joanne from 123stitch.com. If you love Mill Hill kits as much as I do, you're going to want to see these magnetic frames by Wonderland. I'm going to show you what they look like, how they work, and why you might want one. Before we get started though, take a look down below. Are you subscribed to our channel? If you're not, go ahead and click on that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Now, Mill Hill kits generally come in two sizes, the larger size and a smaller mini type size. And they come with usually perforated paper or perforated PVC. And the problem with these is you have to hold it in your hand while you're stitching. And over time, you can crease or bend that perforated paper and damage it. My biggest pet peeve though is as I'm stitching, I continually get my thread caught on the rough edges and on the corners, and it drives me crazy. But that's where the magnetic frames come in really handy. We have these available in several sizes, but for Mill Hill kits, we have the mini size and we have the regular size. This one has an inside opening of 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and the inside opening of this one is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. You could see how pretty they are. They're made out of this beautiful wood, and they have these nice little intricate designs on them. There's all different styles and colors available, and I'm going to have a link to everything down below. But when you get it out of the package, it looks like this, and it's not obvious how you get it apart. So what I do is I put a finger on the front, kind of a finger on the back here, and slide in opposite directions, and then it'll come apart. You see they've got these really strong magnets on them that hold everything in place. So all we need to do is take our perforated paper, lay it on the one half, put the other half on top. You can hear that snap into place. It's held in there super tight. It doesn't move easily. We'd have to force it apart. And best part is your thread doesn't get caught on the sides or the corners anymore. One side's a little deeper than the other side, so it's a matter of preference. You could stitch on this side or on this side. They both work. Then when you're done stitching, you can take it apart and save it for your next kit, or you can use it as a frame. They're that pretty. So you can just use this as your frame to hang it on the wall when you're all done. So now the Wonderland frames themselves work best with thin material like perforated paper, plastic canvas, or perforated PVC. They do not work well with soft fabrics, so keep that in mind. But we do have other sizes available, so there's something for all of your projects. I'm really excited about these, and I think they're going to help me out a lot. I hope you give them a try. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comments about any of this or anything else, let me know in the comments section below, because I love to read your comments and I love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and I will see you again soon.